Hi, Mike here. Quality at Broda. I'm going to show you how to properly install and run a tilt cable for the V3 model. First, you want to get your screw and your handle of the cable, attach it to the crossbar, push bar on the back, located tilt. Use a red Robbie and just give it a tighten. Double check, make sure your handle is nice and tight so there is no movement, which is good. Then you're going to feed your cable behind the back, as you got here, and across the bars there. Then you're going to continue on feeding under the seat. Now you want the cable to be around these two bars in the middle of the seat. So you want it fed like that. Then you take the head of the cable and you insert it into the actuator like so, and then match the notch of the plastic to the notch of the head of the cylinder there. You take a wrench, you just push down. Takes a little bit of force, a little bit of pressure. You should feel a click or hear a click. Then you take your cable clip and you lock it in place. Again, you can use a wrench as well, and you'll feel that click into place, so that cable is nice and secure. And then lastly, I already set it up, but yeah, you take your zip tie, and the zip tie should be on the left side when facing the chair, the left side of the first bar here on the back, and you just tighten up your zip tie like that, and then you can either trim the excess with a pair of pliers, or we use the zip tie guns. And like so, trying to get as much of that excess as possible. There may be a little bit of an edge. See if you can clear that off. If not, do the best you can, and then we push it back. Looks nice and clean, and that little bit of pieces behind the chair there, and that's it. And then you can test your function like so, and you can see that the cable cannot pinch anywhere now on the seat. And then raise it up, and again, your cable should be run on the outside of the middle bars there. Incorrect install is running it through the middle. If you run it through the middle when tilting, this cable can get caught underneath this bar and pinch. Pinching the cable will cause it not to trigger using the handle, and it won't activate the actuator, which allows the cylinder to move up and down. And that's it.